The Ojúdé Festival and the Lisabi Festival are two important festivals in the Yorùbá land, but it's a distinct celebration, each with its unique heritage and significances. So why are you people comparing them? Comparing them is like pitting a shield against a crown. Both are profound, both are regal, but they serve different purposes. Follow me, let's dive in. The Lisabi Festival is the heartbeat of the Egba people in Abeokuta, celebrated annually in March. This year, marking its 30th edition, the festival honors Lisabi Akala, the valiant hero who liberated the Egba people from the Oyo Empire's dominance in the late 18th century. Each year, the festival brings together sons and daughters of Egba descent from across the whole world to celebrate his legacy and enduring spirit of unity. The festivities features cultural events, traditional games like Ayo Olokmo, and the grand finale of this year, Egba Lingaza, which showcases the rich fashion and heritage of the Egba people. This year's grand finale took place on April 5, 2025 in Abeokuta. And conversely, the Ojúdé Festival is the jewel of Ijebu-Ode. Dating back over a century, it occurs annually on the third day after Eid al-Kabir, Ileya, paying homage to the Awujale, the paramount ruler of Ijebuland. The festival is highlighted by a grand parade featuring various cultural age groups known as Regbe, composed of indigents, their friends, and associates. Participants don elaborate traditional attire, and Balogun families ride on horseback, reflecting the deep-seated tradition and unity of the Ijebu people. It's a vibrant tapestry of faith, royalty, and community spirit. I hope you now understand that the Lisabi Festival and the Ojúdé Festival both are pillars of Yoruba culture, each narrating a unique story of valor, unity, and tradition. Let's appreciate their distinctiveness and celebrate the rich tapestry of our heritage. I am Amoke Omobaba Nilu. Follow me for more cultural insights. Catch you up in my next video. Bye.